Planning a camping trip? One essential to consider is your cooking gear, and a reliable camping stove can make all the difference. Whether you're whipping up a hearty breakfast, boiling water for coffee, or preparing a gourmet dinner under the stars, the right stove meets your needs for portability, efficiency, and fuel type. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best camping stoves available today, highlighting their features and benefits to help you choose the perfect companion for your outdoor adventures. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website Consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Coleman Classic Propane Stove, our find for best budget camping stove. If you're in the market for a camping stove that balances reliability and affordability, the Coleman Classic Propane Camping Stove is an excellent choice. In a sea of complex options often accompanied by high price tags, this stove stands out as a budget-friendly option that caters to your outdoor cooking needs, typically costing half as much as more extravagant models. With a heat output of 10,000 British thermal units per burner, the Coleman Classic may not be the most powerful stove available, but its performance remains commendable. Although it doesn't come with a push-start ignition, lighting it with a lighter or matches is straightforward. Once ignited, the smooth temperature controls allow you to effortlessly simmer or warm your food, ensuring that you can prepare satisfying meals even in the great outdoors. Moreover, the Coleman Classic has a proven track record of reliability, having been a favorite among campers for nearly a decade. Weighing 11 pounds 10 ounce and measuring 22.5 by 5 by 14.5 inches, it is compact enough to accommodate your camping pots and pans without taking up excessive space in your gear. On your next adventure, consider bringing the Coleman Classic as your trusted companion for cooking gourmet meals beneath the stars. This stove delivers both performance and value, allowing you to focus on enjoying nature and creating lasting memories with friends and family. Number 4. Snow Peak's Burner, our find for best portable camping stove. Are you ready to enhance your camping experience with delicious meals under the stars? The Snow Peak Home and Camp Butane Stove is the ideal companion for all your outdoor culinary adventures. This compact stove fits effortlessly into your bag, resembling the size of a water bottle, proving that you don't need bulky equipment to whip up gourmet dishes while camping. While it doesn't deliver the roaring flames of a traditional campfire, this stove boasts a push-start ignition and precise temperature control, allowing you to easily boil water for your morning coffee or simmer a hearty stew. Its robust design accommodates cookware up to 12 inches in diameter, ensuring you can prepare meals that satisfy both your cravings and the appetites of your fellow campers. Weighing just 1.4 kilograms, the stove is perfect for spontaneous weekend getaways or impromptu road trips. Its lightweight design makes cleanup a breeze after a long day of exploring, giving you more time to unwind and soak in the beauty of your surroundings. With the Snow Peak Home and Camp Butane Stove, your camp kitchen transforms from ordinary to exceptional. Whether you're cooking for a group or indulging in a solo culinary adventure, this stove ensures that every meal in the wild becomes a memorable experience. Embrace your adventurous spirit and enjoy home-cooked meals wherever your journey leads you. Still searching for the perfect camping stove? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. MSR PocketRocket Deluxe, our find for best backpacking camping stove. If you're on the hunt for a backpacking stove that strikes the perfect balance between powerful performance and portability, the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe could be exactly what you need. This compact stove is designed to be a reliable companion on all your outdoor adventures, delivering an impressive heat output while remaining lightweight and easy to pack. One of the key advantages of the PocketRocket Deluxe is its rapid ignition feature, allowing you to start cooking almost instantly. You won't have to wait long to enjoy your meals after a day of hiking or exploring. This stove is versatile enough for both backpacking and car camping, enabling you to maximize space in your trunk without compromising on your culinary experience. You'll appreciate the burner's excellent heat control, allowing you to prepare anything from a quick cup of coffee to more elaborate gourmet dinners under the stars. Its sturdy arms are designed to comfortably hold your favorite pots and pans, enhancing its functionality. While it may not be exclusively designed for group cooking, the MSR PocketRocket Deluxe is an outstanding choice for solo hikers and campers alike. It elegantly combines convenience with performance, making your outdoor cooking experience not only efficient but also enjoyable. Prepare to elevate your meals in the wild, as delicious flavors are just a flame away with this exceptional stove by your side. Number 2. Camp Chef EX60LW Explorer, our find for best high-quality camping stove. Are you ready to transform your outdoor cooking adventures? The Camp Chef EX60LW Explorer camping stove is the perfect partner for your culinary pursuits in nature. With two powerful 30,000 British thermal unit burners, you'll no longer have to settle for lackluster campfire meals. Effortlessly boil water and whip up your favorite dishes, all while enjoying the great outdoors. Setting up this portable stove is seamless, thanks to its detachable legs and a thoughtfully designed three-sided windscreen. Whether you're nestled in a peaceful campsite or enjoying a lively tailgating event, you can cook gourmet meals without concern for wind interference. Versatility is a key feature of the EX60LW, as it is compatible with all Camp Chef 14 inches accessories, broadening your cooking options. From grilling juicy burgers on the professional grill box to baking homemade pizza in the Italia Artisan Pizza Oven, this stove allows you to explore a delightful range of recipes. Crafted from high-quality alloy steel, this stove is built to last, making it an ideal choice for family camping trips or gatherings with friends. Weighing only 2.5 kilograms, it's lightweight and easy to transport, ready to join you on all your outdoor excursions. Embrace the flavors of nature with every meal you prepare and elevate your cooking experience under the open sky. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. Coleman Triton Stove, our find for best camping stove overall. If you're looking to elevate your camping cooking experience, the Coleman Triton 2-burner propane camping stove is the perfect companion for your outdoor culinary adventures. Whether you're brewing coffee at dawn by the lake or cooking a hearty breakfast, this powerful stove is engineered to meet your needs effectively. With two built-in wind guards, you can cook confidently without worrying about gusty winds disrupting your pancake flipping. This means a stress-free campsite breakfast, allowing you to enjoy a well-cooked meal every time. The heavy-duty latch adds convenience, making it easy to stow the stove in your vehicle without hassle when you reach your destination. When it comes to cleanup after your delicious meals, the durable, chrome-plated grate is removable for quick and easy maintenance. This feature means you can spend more time soaking in the beauty of the outdoors and less time scrubbing your equipment. You'll also appreciate the improved knob rotation, which gives you precise control over both burners, allowing for a powerful 22,000 British thermal units of cooking power. No more settling for lukewarm meals. Designed to accommodate both 10-inch skillets and 12-inch pans, this lightweight gas-powered stove caters to all your culinary needs. With the Coleman Triton by your side, you can embrace the joy of outdoor cooking and create gourmet meals that truly enhance your camping experience. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe. And let us know in the comment which camping stove you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.